This is how to edit an animated GIF in Photoshop and how to fix it if it doesn't run after you export. I have this GIF here and I'm going to open it up in Photoshop. Ignore the timeline at the bottom for now, we'll get back to that. I'm just removing a watermark so you can see me going through every frame with a spot healing brush and cleaning it up. Alright, now earlier I was having an issue where if I went through the usual File, Export, Export As process, I would get a file that said GIF, but when run only showed a still image. It wouldn't play like a normal GIF. You can see I'm opening it in Photos, I'm running it in Chrome, it just doesn't work. I searched around online for a bit and found that people said if you went through File, Export, Save for Web, then it would play. And it's the same result, no dice. I played around with this for about half an hour and saw that somebody online had mentioned a timeline. If you go Window, Timeline, it pulls up this menu that looks like a Premiere project. Notice all of these clips start at the same time. What's happening is that when you edit a GIF, Photoshop seems to automatically reset the timing on all of the images. This makes them overlap, giving you the still image GIF file I showed you earlier. The easiest solution I found is just to change the timing on the images. There we go, gonna try and output that, and hold on, why isn't it playing? Well, for whatever reason, when you start to edit a GIF file, Photoshop only enables the bottom frame, creating a situation where there are two ways to end up with a broken GIF. Just enable all the frames and it solves the problem. I don't know why Photoshop does this, but it's fairly easy to fix. There we go. When we go to export, we can see that the GIF is playing as intended. Save that, open in Photos, and it plays perfectly. Let's try the browser now. And it's a success. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.